Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. So, you may be in the middle of a PlayStation party chat, and one of two things may be happening. One, your game audio may be way too high and you just simply cannot hear your friends on there. Or you have a buddy that's way too close to the mic and you just simply cannot hear the game audio. So, how do you adjust the difference between the two to create that optimal audio mix? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do just that so that you can create the perfect balance in every one of your games between your friend's party chat and the game audio itself. Let's get right into it. In order to create the optimal audio mix between your party chat and your game audio, what you first want to do is you want to start at the home screen. And then for this example, I'm going to start my own party because I'm not currently in a party chat yet. So I'm going to go ahead and start that up. Create party. And then, so you see over here on the right side, there's a whole menu that you can adjust certain settings within the party. This setting is pretty buried and I usually have to tell a lot of my friends about this. So that's really why I wanted to make this video for you guys. So when you go into the party settings down here, there are a lot of audio settings that you can adjust. One of them being the actual microphone level so that your friends can hear you better. But this is where the key is for creating that perfect audio mix between your game chat and your party chat volume, is adjusting your audio mix. And what's really cool is that this works for any game that you're playing as long as you're in the PlayStation party chat and using that as a means of communication between your friends. So actually currently, because of the way the game volume is, which is Call of Duty is a very front forward punchy audio. And I usually cannot hear my friends very well on party chat. So I actually got it. So it's on, oh, that's funny. I had it on the other side, but usually I have it on party audio. But if you push left or right, you can do it on either side and choose the optimal setting for you. If you were wondering what headphones I'm currently using as a gaming headset, these are called the HyperX Alphas. I like them a lot, but if you want to hear more about my thoughts about how they compare against other headphones and headsets, you can watch my video and I'll leave a link in the description below. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you found it helpful, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you guys can always stay up to date on my latest videos. See you guys in the next one.